Flying Train. The flying train is an engineering marvel that combines the best of trains and airplanes. This futuristic transport floats effortlessly on a magnetic rail, offering a smooth and efficient ride. It's capable of carrying up to 2,000 passengers, soaring above traffic and avoiding congestion. Imagine cutting your commute time in half with speeds reaching up to 500 kilometers per hour. This sci-fi-inspired concept could revolutionize how we travel, making long trips faster and more convenient. While the price tag for this high-tech wonder remains unclear, it's no surprise that such advanced projects come with a hefty budget, often reaching into the hundreds of millions. The Dahir Inset Flying Train presents a bold vision of the future. It could solve many transit problems in expanding cities, providing an efficient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional transportation. Embrace the future of travel, where the sky is the limit with the Dahir Inset Flying Train. Microhaus. Introducing the Microhaus, a high-tech, prefabricated tiny home created for ultimate comfort and convenience. Designed by House Me, it's considered one of the most advanced microhomes in the world. Each unit covers a compact 120 square feet but is packed with features. It's fully furnished and comes equipped with everything you need, making it ready to move in within hours. Inside, you'll find a sleek, modern design with a kitchenette, a bathroom, and a comfortable double bed. The innovation doesn't stop at size. The Microhaus is a plug-and-play system that requires no building permits and minimal setup. This tiny home is built for comfort, with smart home features, automatic climate control, and advanced air purification. It's also designed to handle extreme weather, with hurricane-resistant construction and energy-efficient systems. Plus, it has backup battery power for added peace of mind. While the base model starts at around $60,000, there's a Pro version with upgraded air purification and additional features. Whether you're dreaming of tiny living or seeking a hassle-free rental property, the Microhaus offers a feature-packed, compact solution. EEC Electric Scooter. Introducing the EEC Electric Scooter, a sleek, eco-friendly ride that redefines urban commuting. With 3 wheels for added stability, this scooter combines power with practicality, making it perfect for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Its 2000W motor, powered by a reliable 72-volt battery, delivers a smooth and zippy performance. You can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, letting you cruise further without needing a gas station. The 3-wheel design not only provides great handling but also makes it an ideal option for new riders and experienced ones alike. Some models even come with a cozy, enclosed cabin, keeping you comfortable and protected from the weather all year round. Depending on the battery size and terrain, you can expect a range of between 90 and 220 kilometers on a single charge, more than enough for most daily trips. With its electric power and practical design, the EEC Electric Scooter is a comfortable and eco-friendly solution for modern mobility. Aniioki A8 Pro Max. The Aniioki A8 Pro Max is an electric bike built for comfort, long-range commuting, and thrilling rides. It features a powerful 1000W motor with a peak output of 1400W, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 33 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising on city streets or tackling various terrains, the bike's pedal assist system, with multiple levels, makes every ride easier and more efficient. What really sets the A8 Pro Max apart is its impressive range. With a 52-volt 60Ah battery, it can travel up to 200 miles in pedal assist mode, making it ideal for long-distance journeys. Comfort is also a top priority. The A8 Pro Max comes with a dual suspension system to ensure a smooth ride. Its front hydraulic shock and rear spring shock absorber absorb bumps and vibrations, so you can enjoy a comfortable journey, no matter the terrain. The 4-inch fat tires provide added stability and traction. For safety, the bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes for strong stopping power and an integrated alarm system to deter theft. With its combination of power, range, comfort, and safety features, the Aniioki A8 Pro Max is a great option for riders looking for an electric bike that can handle long distances and diverse terrains. Argo Sasquatch XTX. Meet the Argo Sasquatch XTX, an all-terrain powerhouse built to handle any challenge. This vehicle is a beast, designed for those who need strength and versatility, whether for work or thrilling adventures. Under the hood, the Sasquatch XTX boasts a robust engine, ready to power through the toughest terrains. Rocks, mud, and steep slopes? No problem. This vehicle is built to conquer it all. And thanks to its amphibious design, it can even navigate through water obstacles with ease, opening up new paths where other vehicles might stop. Inside, the cabin is spacious and comfortable. With seating for 4, there's plenty of legroom, so every passenger enjoys a smooth and comfortable ride, even on the bumpiest of trails. Creature comforts are built in to make every trip enjoyable, no matter the conditions. This machine is also built for endurance. It has a 26.5-gallon fuel tank, and with a fuel burn rate between 1.3 to 2.2 gallons per hour, it's efficient for extended journeys. The Argo Sasquatch XTX is available at an exhilarating price of $189,999. So, if you're ready for adventure and want a vehicle that can handle anything you throw at it, the Sasquatch XTX is here to take you there. Festo Bionic Swift. A marvel of robotic engineering. Meet the Festo Bionic Swift, an extraordinary robotic bird that mimics the flight mechanics of real birds. Developed by Festo's Bionic Learning Network, this innovative device showcases the wonders of biomimicry in engineering. The Bionic Swift features ultra-lightweight wings made from flexible foam segments. During the upstroke, the wings fan out to allow air to flow through. Then, they close during the downstroke to generate powerful flight. Weighing just 42 grams and with a wingspan of 68 centimeters, this robotic bird can perform agile maneuvers like loops and steep turns. Equipped with radio-based indoor GPS, the Bionic Swift can fly autonomously. It moves in a coordinated pattern within a defined airspace, demonstrating impressive precision and control. The Bionic Swift is not just a technological feat, it offers a glimpse into the future of autonomous flying robots. Experience cutting-edge technology inspired by nature's design with the Festo Bionic Swift. Nissan E-4ORCE Ramen Counter. Meet Nissan's playful invention, the E-4ORCE Ramen Counter. This creative project highlights the advanced capabilities of Nissan's E-4ORCE technology, inspired by the all-wheel control system in their Nissan Ariya. Imagine a server tray that moves seamlessly across a countertop. It's powered by twin electric motors and advanced control systems, just like those found in the Ariya. The result? A tray that glides smoothly, maneuvers turns, and even stops precisely, ensuring not a single drop of broth spills from your ramen bowl. This clever use of E-4ORCE technology demonstrates Nissan's ability to provide a smooth and controlled ride, even for a steaming bowl of noodles. While it's not something you can buy, the E-4ORCE Ramen Counter is a fun and inventive way for Nissan to showcase the benefits of their electric vehicle technology in an unexpected setting. Aleph Model A flying car, the future of commuting. The Aleph Model A is a game-changer in transportation. This all-electric flying car drives on roads and can take off vertically, making traffic jams a thing of the past and travel much faster. It can fly for about 10 miles and drive nearly twice that distance. The Model A is equipped with cutting-edge stabilization technology, electric propulsion, and smart flight controls to ensure a smooth experience. It's designed with safety in mind, no exposed propellers and all-wheel drive. At around $300,000, it's the first flying car approved by the Federal Aviation Authority for use in the U.S. Its innovative design allows it to rotate sideways in the air with 8 rotating blades, meaning it's small enough to fit in your driveway while still being able to fly. The future of commuting has arrived with the Aleph model. Daymak Boomerbeast 2.0. Meet the Daymak Boomerbeast 2.0, a Canadian-made all-terrain electric scooter designed for those who crave adventure. Unlike typical mobility scooters, the Boomerbeast 2.0 takes you beyond the usual paths. It's built to handle dirt roads, snow, sand, and city streets, all with ease. Its all-wheel drive system delivers superior traction and powerful hill climbing capability, making it versatile across a variety of terrains. You have a choice between a standard lead-acid battery with a 50-kilometer range or a lithium-ion upgrade, which extends the range up to an impressive 80 kilometers on a single charge. Comfort is key with the Boomerbeast 2.0. It features an adjustable seat and armrests, ensuring a relaxed and customizable ride for users of all heights. Equipped with dual motors, this scooter provides extra torque for tackling challenging terrain. Safety features are also a priority. The Boomerbeast 2.0 includes shock absorbers for a smoother experience and a customizable lighting system to enhance visibility. This scooter's durability and capabilities place it in a higher price range, but for those seeking power and performance, the investment is well worth it. The Daymak Boomerbeast 2.0 is the ultimate ride for any terrain, ready to bring adventure to your everyday travel. Hornbond 2000. Introducing the Hornbond 2000. A state-of-the-art 6-seater chairlift in Austria's Alukal ski area, built to elevate the passenger experience. This 2022 edition combines comfort, efficiency, and a touch of luxury. Stretching 1,123 meters in length, the Hornbond 2000 effortlessly transports passengers up a vertical distance of 391 meters. In less than 4 minutes, it whisks riders to the top of the Albel station, offering a swift and smooth journey. Unlike traditional chairlifts, the Hornbond 2000 focuses on passenger comfort and quality. Equipped with high-end features like Linear Direct Drive technology, it ensures a seamless, quiet ride. Each seat is heated, providing extra warmth on those chilly mountain ascents. And with individual weather protection bubbles, riders stay cozy, no matter the conditions. This luxurious chairlift experience has made the Hornbond 2000 a top attraction in the region. Visitors are drawn to its promise of both comfort and efficiency, transforming a simple ride up the slopes into an experience worth remembering. Ford F-Vision Electric Truck. A glimpse into the future. Ford's F-Vision electric truck is a bold and futuristic concept aimed at competing with heavy-duty electric trucks like Tesla and Nikola. Taking design cues from Marvel superheroes, the F-Vision stands out with its sleek front wraparound glass. When the truck operates autonomously, the glass seamlessly blends into the body, and when a human is driving, it becomes visible again. What makes the F-Vision even cooler is its interactive front end. The truck can display different logos, designs, or even messages for other drivers to see across the front of the cab. While Ford hasn't shared specifics on its technical features just yet, the F-Vision gives a clear idea of the innovative direction the company is exploring for the future of electric trucks. With this concept, Ford is not just joining the electric truck revolution but aiming to lead it with style and cutting-edge technology. Largest SUV. The Dhabiyan. Introducing the Dhabiyan, the largest SUV in the world. This colossal creation isn't your typical family vehicle. Built by Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan, a member of Abu Dhabi's ruling family, this SUV is a masterpiece of size and extravagance. Standing at a towering 10.8 meters tall and stretching 21.6 meters long, the Dhabiyan weighs an incredible 24 tons. Its design is inspired by the 1950s Dodge Power Wagon but taken to a whole new level. This massive SUV rides on 10 wheels and comes with a fully furnished interior. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, a living room, and even a bathroom. It's essentially a rolling mansion on wheels. Powering this beast are 4 engines, though the exact specs and performance details remain a closely guarded secret. This unique vehicle isn't something you can pick up at a dealership. The estimated cost to build it? Around $1 million. Currently housed at the Emirates National Auto Museum, the Dhabiyan is more than just an SUV. It's a symbol of Sheikh Hamad's passion for extraordinary vehicles and his desire to push the boundaries of automotive engineering. This vehicle is a true marvel and a one-of-a-kind symbol of automotive excess. VooK E Trike. Introducing the VooK E Trike, the future of personal electric transportation. Imagine a ride that combines thrill, convenience, and eco-friendliness. That's what the VooK E Trike brings, with a sleek, modern design that's made to turn heads. This 3-wheeled electric trike is built for adventure. Equipped with a powerful motor, it can reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour. But it's not just fast. The VooK E Trike has an impressive range of up to 110 miles on a single charge, letting you go further without worrying about recharging. Perfect for city commutes or venturing off-road, it's designed to keep up with any journey. One standout feature is its spacious cargo area. Need to carry groceries, camping gear, or even your pet? The VooK E Trike has you covered. It's like having a compact SUV on 3 wheels, ready to handle your everyday needs. Comfort and simplicity are key to its design. With an intuitive control system, it's easy for both beginners and experienced riders to operate. And the comfortable seating means you're in for a smooth ride, no matter how far you travel. The best part? The VooK E Trike is priced competitively, starting at around $3,500. For that price, you get impressive performance, practicality, and eco-friendliness all in one. The VooK E Trike is here to deliver endless adventures, all on a single charge. Racebird, the future of racing. Say hello to the Racebird, the world's first all-electric flying racing boat. Designed to dazzle in the E1 World Electric Powerboat series, this boat is a game-changer. With its sleek, futuristic look, the Racebird isn't just about style, it's built for performance. Thanks to advanced cooling and hydrofoil tech, it literally flies above the water, reducing drag and maximizing energy efficiency. Inside, the cockpit is inspired by race cars and features a high-tech battery from Crystal Electric with immersion cooling. This allows the Racebird to hit speeds of up to 58 miles per hour and deliver a peak power of 150 kilowatts. It's set to revolutionize powerboat racing as we know it. Buckle up and get ready for an electrifying experience with the Racebird.